Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we bring you this video on how to draw the planet Saturn and its rings. Being one of the most recognizable planets, it's a gas giant, and because of this, the surface is made up of swirls of colors when observed from afar. This is why we're going to be using acrylic paints to get the right colors and textures for Saturn and its rings. Keep watching to see how it's done. And here is our completed Planet Saturn illustration. We have links in the description below to videos on how to draw other planets, but we also have drawing tutorials on many other fun topics. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.